What is going on, guys? It's your RdnRacing. Welcome back to another YouTube video. Now guys, today obviously we have this, but today is a very important day. It's a very emotional day for me. So it's actually the 1 year anniversary of our channel RdnRacing. So yeah, RdnRacing actually turns 1, and I just want to thank each and every one of you for making it possible. Obviously we haven't reached the milestone of monetization or any of this, but we've come a long way. The channel has grown a lot, tremendously, over the past few months, and I just want to thank each and every one of you. So massive shout out to all of you. Thank you for supporting the channel, thank you for supporting me. And yeah, so as a 1 year anniversary special, I thought, let's unbox this. So this is the RWB Porsche 930, and the reason why I chose this car as an anniversary car of sorts is because actually I think this is one of the best cars I found in the wild. I'm considering it's actually hard to get. It's a rare find. I think this has to be one of the best, if not the best, finds in the wild, and I just had to reserve it for something special. And I thought, why not? Let's use this for our anniversary video. So yeah, today's anniversary special. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Once again, thank you all so much for your constant support, constant motivation, all the comments, the interactions with me. They've been amazing for the past few months, and I am very grateful to each and every one of you there. So we are gonna unbox this car, and in the meantime, I'm gonna give you a bit of a history lesson. So what does RWB mean? RWB actually stands for Raw Welt Baugriff. Let me know if I'm sure I'm botching the pronunciation, so let me know how it's pronounced. I have no idea, but it's basically, in English, the rough translation is rough world concept, and it's basically the creation of Akira-san from Japan. He was a huge Porsche guy, and he came out with the entire wide body kit. I think it's one of the most, if not the best, wide body kit for Porsches out there, or Porsche, or whatever. So yeah, in my hand we have the RWB Porsche. So this is actually of a 930 chassis or 930 body, and honestly, it's tremendously amazing, and I think this has to be one of the best cars in my collection. So we're gonna have a look around. Obviously on the left side of the vehicle, right off the bat, it's a wide body, which means obviously you've got the huge fender flares at the rear and at the front as well. Obviously it says Raw Welt, which is RW, about the RWB name. And then we've got windows. They look reinforced, and they've got a little opening there as well. Wing mirrors, very nicely done, very subtle wing mirrors in this car as well, right there. And the wheels, here's where it gets interesting. Obviously these are 6-spoke rims on the rear and the front as well, but look at how wide the offset is of the rear tire. Just check that out. I mean, that's insane, and it's just insanely amazing, and it's very well done, honestly. Obviously you've got a lot of detail in the rear. We'll get back to that in a while, but yeah, so that's about it. There isn't much decals, unfortunately. It's a very clean, sleek vehicle, which I think it serves the purpose. I mean, this car is just mean and aggressive. And if you look at the front of the vehicle, obviously we've got a few more details. Let's start with the main thing, the Porsche logo, or the Porsche logo right there. The headlights are printed, but they look very nice, and they have like a subtle detail, almost like a hue, or which I think is really nice. These headlights are well done. I mean, usually more often than not, the paint actually gets chipped off, especially in the headlight portion, but this isn't. This is actually quite well done, I must say. Wheels, I forgot about that. Wheels spin amazingly well once again. I think premiums, they are doing a really good job with it. And then the front, we've got a reflector lights or indication lights, I guess. Front grille, front splitter as well. This side splitter, more aero ducts right there. This says Raw Welt on the top right here. We've got the 2 wipers as well. Very nice, very clean car, not much details. The stripes are just amazing. And if you look at the left side of the vehicle, obviously here is the same. Obviously it says the name RWB, the doors of, and I gotta say, I forgot to mention this earlier on, but the paint job on this matte black paint job, I think it's insane. Yeah, I usually am a sucker for metallic or reflective paint jobs, but I think matte paint or not, they have something that's very unique, very special. And I think this is one of those type of cars. They look really amazing, and yeah, I mean, this black paint with the black rims, they go amazingly well. And I mean, I'm just a huge fan of this vehicle. So obviously we've got the offset wheels right there, and if you look at the back, here's where it gets interesting, because ladies and gentlemen, check this out. Girls Nation, welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are having a wild time, because she is girthy, ladies and gentlemen. Look at how wide she is. Obviously it says RWB right there. The huge massive spoiler, I mean, it's enormous, guys, because this is the normal body of the car, right? And then obviously this is almost as wide as the normal body. Mine is the wide body, and look at how thick it is, how wide and how tall it is. It says RWB. And we look at the details on just right over there. I mean, check that out. Let me just try to see if I can focus it a little. I'm gonna try my best, but I mean, the detail on this is magnificent. I think this is an amazingly done car. Obviously it's very wide. Fender flares at the rear is amazingly wide. And yeah, if you look at the bottom of the car, let me get that for you. All right, there you go. So if you, at the bottom it says RWB Porsche 930, the Hot Wheels logo, made in Thailand, and obviously the details on the base are amazing. The details in the front and in the rear as well. And obviously I told you about the portion at the back, which I think is the best portion here, the bumper delete. Insanely amazing. I think this is truly a magnificent build. The quality of this just feels amazing. And yeah, let me know in the comments below, guys. For anniversary special, I think this was an amazing car. This was very well suited for the occasion. So let me know in the comments below if you guys are a fan of this. If you guys are, let me know as well why. But yeah, we are gonna do a few rolling shots, and I'll see you at the end. And just like that, guys, we've come to the end of the video. I hope you guys had an amazing time. I sure had an amazing time unboxing this vehicle. It is going to go superbly, insanely well in my collection. Once again, thank you so much for the past year. I am very excited to be celebrating my anniversary with all of you, this channel's anniversary. But yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more awesome content here on YouTube. The link to my socials is in the description below. But just like that, guys, this video is over, and I'm out. Bye.